2007 Volkswagen Polo 1.2 twist. It's got 48,000 miles. It's in a great colour. It's nice and straight down that side. And the front. And the top. And the wheels are straight down this side. And around to the back. Couple of slight cosmetics here and stuff will be painted, with just the bumper trim. But on the side we've got some damage. And the front door has taken just about 80% of the impact. And these are pretty easy to dent as well. Once they buckle in, they kind of fold quite easily. They've got a bumper bar behind them that protects them. And there's a small mark there which probably polish out. A little dent there, a small one there, and a tiny one down the bottom. But in the boot, I've sourced another door in the same colour with no damage on. Probably just need to change that rubbing strip over, and that is it. And it'll be back on the road exactly the same as it was before. As you can see, it's all now fixed. New door was put on, same colour obviously, just that rubbing strip down the side was painted and just stuck on, and that's the repair here. Really easy fix, literally just a piece there, tiny bit there, and a tiny bit down the bottom. You've got to paint that side. It's quite lucky because this back bumper had a couple of cosmetics about here, so that was just blended and painted. Easy job, no structural stuff, just cosmetic. All finished. Oh, let's have a look inside. Actually quite nice. Aircon, electric windows, nice seats. Someone's looked after it. I don't think anybody's really sat in the back either.